gonna hold and squeeze me tight. Now that she's gone out of my life, who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, I'm all alone in the wilderness, searching to find some peace and rest. Although she wasn't the best girl, but she brought happiness into my world, and now I'm a prisoner of loneliness. Said I'm a prisoner of loneliness. That's what I am. Now whose voice is gonna say goodnight? Now that she's gone out of my sight, gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue, can you see right now? And I don't know just what to do. Yeah. Voice is gonna say goodnight. Now that she's gone out of my sight, who's gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true? Yeah, now that my love is overdue. Now that my